This is why beginners quit woodworking. They see some huge project online, buy a bunch of lumber, and jump straight into something that needs way more tools, skill, and patience than they expected. Then one cut is off, the boards don't fit right, and now they've got a half-built mess taking up space in the garage. Start with something simple. Build a planter, a small shelf, a bench, or a storage box, something you can actually finish in a weekend. You will learn more from finishing one simple project than you will from quitting halfway through some giant one. So before you buy lumber for that big project, remember,